when it's impossible to prepare for something you're not willing to accept. And I have not prepared anything. Thank goodness for you. But I just recently saw Aras. He was a father to her, but he was a brother to me. And I was debating the whole time, like, do I say this in public at all? I mean, he said it, but like, I don't know, somehow it was fine when Wara said things. But there was an instance where, I don't know if Caesar was on this particular one, but we went to a Castle Light gig that we were doing in Plettenberg Bay, and Waris was so afraid of missing his flight in the morning, so he insisted that we stay in the same room so that he wouldn't miss his flight. And I was like, friend, no. Then he was like, ew, man, don't think like that. You're my son. Then I was just like, Waris, that's weird. Then he was like, don't worry, friend. We're going to put the pillows. We're going to do everything. And I was just like, Waris, he's like, no, man, I just need a cuddle. I just need a cuddle. And the thing is, I was worried about what people would think of me because they're going to think, you know, but no, that's not what's happening. We're literally brother and sister, and we did sleep and cuddle, and the pillows were there, and we cuddled, and he said, thank you, my friend, I really appreciate this. I got with them. And I woke him up for sure in the morning, and he didn't miss his flight. And those are just one of the many things that made Wara special. He didn't care what people thought. He didn't care, you know, who would dislike him, who would like him because of his opinion. He did appreciate something called fan love. That was our thing. Like, he'd be like, yo, man, open the windows in the car, Pearl. We got to get some fan love. And we'd get some fan love. But the last time I saw him, he was doing yet another brotherly thing, helping me choose a car. Spoke to Nomalanga, and she mentioned it was a similar situation with them as well. And yeah, Warwick, this is still feeling unreal. And thank you for the jokes. Thank you for the political talks we had that I never agreed with you on. Thank you for being good to our children. Thank you for being good to us. Thank you for being the person who we call whenever we're in trouble and we don't know who to call. Thank you for everything, and to your kids and to your family. I want everyone to know that he spoke very highly and spoke very regularly of his entire family and how much he loved you all, obviously, especially his children. To the mother of his children, he spoke very highly of all of you as well. And even when he was frustrated, he spoke very highly of you. And I'm so sorry that you have to go through this. I'm so sorry. Some of us have had to be single mothers in such a difficult world. And I just want to say you and the kids were so blessed to have such an incredible father for your children. And I know that I choose to believe that there's another life after this, and I just want to say to the kids, I lost my mother very young. I know this is a terrible feeling. And I just want you to know that there's an everlasting presence of your parents. Once they're on the other side, they're with you all the time, not just when they can or when they choose to be. So I hope these words mean something, if not today, somewhere near in the future. We love you all, and we hope that we can be there for you as his kids the same way he was there for our children. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pearl, and thank you, Tando.
Phela Thusi ukhale kabuhlungu ngamnanzi waze wahleka lapha ku memorial service ya DJ Waras isolo baloku bamthenza mhlana bathi thula alokakhala kubhlungu uyabona amahlombe aphakama ukuthi no kubhlungu uyasho ukuthi usebenze kamnanzi perhaps wow na DJ Waras yabona abagasi nalinye ilanga amphoce uke wahamba naye bosebenza kulenye igigi ye Castle Light DJ Waras ngoba bekanenkinga yobuthongo wathi no mina iflight itongishiye ekseni bengicela ukuthi silale sonke embedeni lapha ekamereni kuwe ugcine sekahleka yedwa khona lapha bamlalele uthi no salala sonke but akuzange kwendeke lutho nethi sagcina ngekuhagana nje ebusuku nje bathi cuddling ebusuku perhaps wow kunemicamelo la but thina siyadi ngoba thina sima Africans we know ukuthi umfana once wathi asambe solanza lijezi ekugcineni kunomuntu olahla umthwalo ekugcineni kunomuntu okumele athenge amapampers uyabona so lento ukuthi no ngitoyishiwa iflight iyafana exactly nale kulanza lijezi into le yi-1 siyathi stela sinye sima Africans naloko once umfana wathi ungahlala lapha esitulweni cela uhlale la embedeni ngeke ngwede next hawu siyathi ukuthi nakanjani olahla umthwalo perhaps wow but yena uyaphika ukuthi kube wow lelo langa uthi no akuzange kwendeke lutho bekubanjalo brother and sister uzama kuyengathina but sitamthemba sitawuthi
Pel tusi aringi hi bafethu ay yo maybe my bebeza meant no harm because it's an honest story but khonale spirit behind it mabana spirit is selisa wanting to make everything about you. It's a real thing. It's a teachable moment because these are things you have to realize and only God can reveal that to you. The spirit selisa ori yeah nekemutsiba like that Waras ori family ya khaida so his wife is there, his kids are there hauna taba. You are just there talking about how you were cuddling with someone at a memorial service because spirit sellers are making things about you South Swara sometimes. Give that same spirit is when someone out something and then you don't even listen. So what Lena experience? And sometimes not every story has to be about you, and that's why only God can reveal that to a person. Where you just say, I give memorial, let me just talk about how much we were friends and then that's it. Now you want in on how much you knew Waras. You know, I'm saying this with the most love. It's not to bash the girl, but it's a teachable moment for everyone that not everything has to be about us. Sometimes spirit saying, you know what, let me remove myself from the picture and focus on this particular person and be considerate for the family and all that stuff instead of saying things about me that will look somehow, because the spirits are making things about you so much it even becomes inconsiderate of the platform. Hey, I want it to be about me so much to the point where this platform doesn't matter because that story about me has to be known, and this is the opportunity because the spirit says it has to be about you. And that's just the spirit of rejection. You know, when you always want to be included, it's just a spirit of rejection, fellas. You want to be included, you want to be relevant. And I did say generation Aruna is struggle from that. That's why it's difficult for some people to even leave certain positions because you feel like that's where their identity lies. They are nothing without that. Hence they're gonna keep trying to make themselves relevant. Our fella Ronaria Mutsiba Waras Marinaki Mutsiba like this. So because it has to be about you, you have to now show people. It doesn't matter how inappropriate it is. You have to mention that story to show people to this point, to the point where the message comes out somehow. That's why it may be coming from an innocent place, Mara. You are like a spirit, and a person has to see it for the revelation to come to say, you know what? This shouldn't be about me. It's supposed to be about this particular person, and I need to respect the family. Because the story is innocent and all that stuff, but some information is not important. But because that spirits are making things about you, so you end up saying the wrong things on the wrong platforms. The lesson for all of us is let's not make things about ourselves. When someone is telling us their story, let's learn to listen and just take that story. It's just a lesson. when we are on certain platforms, let's respect or someone. Speak about the couple. Don't make it about you. Memorial services, speak about that particular person. Don't now want to be the center of attention. It's a lesson for all of us because it's a spirit that you have to recognize. It's not just Pearl Thusi that has that. A lot of people are suffering from that, and it's that form of trying to feel good and be that person. Mobatum, you know.
I really like Pearl Thusi, but speaking like that at Waras's memorial, wrong timing, and there's family there. That's another thing. There's the wife there, which is another thing as well. So the openness of Pearl Thusi, we understand, and we know that she's an open person. But when there's a passing going on, and there are family members there, and there's a wife there, and you're speaking, sharing a room, and putting a pillow and getting a cuddle, women do not like that. Family members, if someone is married, no wife would like that. But yeah, it's really not that deep. It's that thing of actually reading a room. And the DJ Waras thing is just another thing, a sad one. And it's a sad one because it is mimicking and reminding us of the AKA thing, considering that he was also colored, considering that he had longevity of a career like AKA and came back in the day, Gubo Live amp. It's just another thing. And the gunning down is another wave, bruh, on the side of the road, similar to AKA's one where it is in Durban on the side of the wall, in the walkway, so in the pavement. So those kind of things, seeing those occurrences just shake a lot of people up, and it rattles us, and it brings a lot of fear in the public and in the nation. So I hope such things no longer further happen, because celebrities used to be protected and you wouldn't see such things happen to them. You know that this happens too when you're in the kasi or in dangerous spots, but never for prominent figures. And to see two colored men that were so immersed in the also black community, they were like a rainbow nation. No, they were not racist. They were actually pioneers that spilled over and brought oneness, because honestly speaking, black people and coloreds, there was that segregation, still is in some points, that apartheid impeded upon us and ingrained in us, that is flowing, that says, I'm better than what I'm. But they became a bridge, and we loved them so much. And the ladies loved him. And there was the lady who wished him death and stuff, and this happened. So she's trending, and watch what you say online. Dislike umuntu, but don't take it far or further where you wish the demise of a person that batabuga mafu. What is that? That is crazy.
Yomantasi hlalani phansi ke sanhlalani phansi. Yowethu bantasi namhlanje ke sana memorial service ka DJ Waras. So ayishem bathethe kahle abantu, yo bathethe kahle, oSizwe Dlomo, oPenwell, abantwana bakhe, and then everybody was emphasizing the fact that yo ebebathanda abantwana bakhe uWaras. You understand? But kuthiwa ebengumuntu othandayo ke shem yena, like ebengumuntu onothando xa sesiva ke pha kuthethwa ke pha. No Pearl Thusi wathetha ke ethetha kwalento inye ba uWaras ebengumuntu onothando kwathini. But ke ngoku uPearl Thusi wasibalisela nestory, phofu wonke umuntu ebebasa istory ba into eyayenza yena uWaras, like eyenza ba yena as a person uWaras amviewishe ngenye indlela okanye amjonge ngenye indlela. You understand? For instance, I'll make an example before singena ku Pearl Thusi. I'll make an example ngoSizwe Dlomo. uSizwe Dlomo uthe yena into nokubana wakhe waxabana no-AKA kakhulu, and before that babezijoni no-AKA, and then ke ngoku uWaras yanguye oza kuSizwe ke ngoku sithi hey kuzafuneka nidibane ke ngoku like le nto niyiface man to man, if nifuna ukungqombana ningqombane, nenze loo nto funeka niyenzile, but baphela bedibana and they sorted it out, kanti nyani u-AKA uzosweleka. So uthi waye thankful to Waras bana wayenza lo meet up so that bazokwazi uba basolve into zabo. Yabo, so wonke umuntu ke bethetha in a way yobana like yintoni kuye that stands out about uWaras and all of that. So ekaPeltus ke bantu uthi uPeltus into nokubana yena wakhe wathi ngenye imini ecaba besiya kwigig whatever nyhani babesebenza bonke mos I think kweza shows ka-SABC 1 ma-1K nizawuyazi ke le kuzawufuneka nindikhumbuze uba babesebenza phi uWaras noPeltus bonke ma-1K because ama-2K awazuyazi. So babesebenza bonke ke so bahamba ke ngoku xa bebeyisa kwigig bahamba baya kuloo gig. So ngoku kuthiwa ke ngoku the following day they were supposed to catch a flight I think early in the morning, and then uWaras athi yo hayi mna andikwazi uvuka, so ke ngoku kuzafuneka ulale nam apha erumini. Athi omnye hayibo njani, athi heyi ndiza koyiswa kuvuka and ke ngoku iflight yam izandishiya if andivuki, so kuzafuneka ulale nam apha erumini. Kwathini athi omnye hayibo hayi abantu bazawuthini fanele ndinxanzalala nawe erumini yakho. Athi hayibo mna nawe we are brother and sister, so it's just gonna be cuddles, nothing much. Kwathini. So while I was listening to this story ke bantu ase hayibo nqwa kaloku sana nqwana laa nto yoba umfana athi masamsela ndijezi phaa ekhaya masamsela ndijezi phaa ekhaya. Bamithile abantu kuloo nto wena phela wasinda njani wena ubungamithiswa bamithile abantu yiloo nto kuthiwa sizukwenza nto bamitha abantu ungazukwenziwa nto. Ndikuxelele ke mna ke phela but ke uthi uphela into nokubana yena noWaras balala ke ngalaa mini cuddles they didn't do anything. Kutsho yena guys, kutsho yena they didn't do anything. But ke yeah wethu rest in peace to uDJ Waras. Yo abantu bathethe kakuhle ngayo on a serious note ke ngoku guys, abantu bathethe kakuhle ngoDJ Waras, and like I feel like ebebathanda abantu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Yesterday was DJ Waras's memorial service. Balabaning bakhulume kahle kakhulu, including family yakhe, Sizwe Dlomo, Penuel, Lut Love. Baning lesibavile bakhuluma guys, even Peltus's daughter Thando khulume kahle kakhulu, and speech sakhe, it was so heartbreaking and touching. But people are saying ukuthi lokukhulunywa nguPeltus unkosi yami bekaphapha njena kuthiwa njena lento la ekhulumile bekungameli ngabe uyikhulumile lihlazo lento la ekhulumile kungana khuluma speech lesifana naleso kahle ufuna sicabangeni thina nemndeni wakhe nabonke abantu lebelaphana ufuna ukuthi baqabange njani, because it was not the time and the place lo la khulumile njena bekade ibhedzela. So people are dragging hell up enkundleni toqhumana bayasho ukuthi uyicabange njani lento ukuthi ahamba uyikhuluma phambi kwebanda. Comment down on the comment section ukuthi wena do you see a problem with Peltus's speech or hlampe unibona ukuthi ayibo khuluma iqiniso. Mina nawe sibonana kule tag video. I'm signing out. Sisengehembe.